Me first. Egg roulette. Okay, we're gonna see who gets how many eggs in order to lose. The first person. So if I get 2 or the students get 2.
Okay.
Okay? I'll go first. I got a good feeling about this. Ready? Really hard.
Yeah, smash that egg.
Oh,
Same.
hard boiled.
Same.
Okay. Okay, now the students' turn. Audrey, let's see.
Adri, your turn.
Take off your glasses.
Oh, same.
Right. Okay, toss it out. Good job. Okay, next student.
6 that are boiled.
All right.
8.
All right.
I think it was 8. Yeah, it was 8.
Now do grab one.
Abdul.
You grab one.
Okay, I'll go first. I don't have a good feeling about this one. Really hard?
Really hard, yeah.
Ready?
Go.
Oh!
Same.
All right, I'm going to the table. Here he goes.
32. Oh, yo.
Okay. So, who is winning now?
Yeah.
Me? The next person? I've never won.
The next person.
Not me. Please.
I'm recording each.
Step back, Avery. No. All right. You flip it,
Here we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Eliza, pick an egg.
I'm gonna go. You ladies first.
Yeah, ladies first.
Oh, Eliza.
Pick an egg, Mr. Tyndall.
You get a bag every
I'm very lucky. You go first.
Oh, I think this is a good one. This is a good one.
It's
Ready?
trust me. Yo.
Yolk.
Let's
Mr. Tyndall, it's right
I have
everywhere.
to go teach the grade 8s now.
Yeah, boiled.
Oh, you already cracked it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's going in my eye.
Okay, so what's the percentage?
Oh
now?
no.
There's only
So we're both at 1.
there is only 2
Pablo.
eggs that are
You first. Oh, that was close.
rotten, and there are 4 eggs that are boiled.
Okay.
So the students are trying.
So who's got the better probability?
The boiled.
Okay, here we go.
You go first.
Oh, me first. Thank you, ladies first.
What?
You're not
If this is raw, that means I lose for the 4th year.
In a row.
Oh,
Bro.
boiled.
Boiled. Go.
Okay,
Same.
Pablo.
Pablo. Harder.
I'm the winner.
Okay.
Why does that feel
Now there's only one boiled.
Okay.
There's
Now,
only
do
one
you want
rotten
to?
egg.
There's one more. I won.
There's only one rotten
So
egg.
we'll stop.
And there's 3 more boiled eggs.
We'll continue. We'll let the last 4 people stay.
It's fair.
One account.
Ishmael, you want
One
to try?
boiled.
Okay, go for
There's
it.
only 3 boiled eggs. And
I
there's
won't go
one
anymore.
boiled. There's only one rotten.
I won't go anymore. But that's because your name got called. Okay, go Ishmael. Take a spin.
Tell my mom I love her.
Oh! Okay, spin the wheel again.
Okay.
Nathan, did you go earlier?
No.
Okay, you can go now.
Mr. Tyndall,
And who
does
else?
this give you flashbacks?
Yeah, post-traumatic stress.
Yeah.
Okay.
In your YouTube video, put some flashbacks.
Inside the mirror saw the thing.
Wait, there's 3 and there's 3 eggs left, so everyone will have a chance to go.
I don't want to get
I want
Okay.
to smash my head.
Wait, now your
three,
turn.
Okay.
3.
You already went.
Okay,
No,
Avery.
this is your
Over the
first
side.
time you won. Wait.
Here goes
Avery,
Avery.
guess. This one's. No, I don't. It's gonna be raw crust.
Avery.
Rotten.
Avery.
I was just holding that
Okay,
egg.
there you go. Okay, Audrey, who's
Nathra.
Nathan, go give a big crack over there.
Wait, they're all boiled now?
They're all boiled. Nathra is the last one.
You
Go
got
for
so
it.
unlucky.
Nice. Okay, and is it Audrey? And then I think we're done.
Sahil.
Oh, Sahil. All right.
I've been trying.